We can also send messages other than just text messages using Wechaty. So let's say we receive some sort of request message and we want to reply with something other than just text. The first thing that we can send is a file. So I've already installed this FileBox package, and we're going to use that to send a file from a URL. So the URL here I have is the Wechaty QR code image, and we'll copy that in. And then we will get our message contact from the talker, and we want to send it to them, and let's send them that file. Then I can open WeChat and send that request message. And after a moment, I will receive that image in response. Another thing we can send is a URL link. So let's make a new link with our URL link here. And in here, we're going to put in multiple things. First, we have a description. So I'm going to send this YouTube channel. So I'll just call it YouTube. And then we also have a URL of our thumbnail image. So I'll copy this image to use. Next, we have the title. So I'll just put the YouTube again. And then last, we have the actual URL that we want to send. And so I will copy the YouTube channel URL. And that is all we need to build our URL link. And so I'll send this to our message contact instead. I will send request again. And this time I receive this URL link to the YouTube channel. One more thing that we can send is a contact card. So let's make that object. And that is our contact object. And we can just go ahead and send that as well. So I'll send request one more time. And in response, I get the contact card of this account.